Hello everybody. We're here in Jay, Florida at a Stars and Stripes car show. I'm gonna give y'all a good show of some cars. Here's some that ain't even in the car show. They just parked along the side of the road. You see, there's Jay. Now we go down.
Keep me in the loop if they are. So you gonna go with them?
Here's the Joker. Nice.
Mommy.
Old Chevy truck. Is it LS?
This one? At the airport? Yep. I do like it.
60-something model Chevrolet truck. Looking good, step side. We got the old Chevy. Got the big tires in it. Really cool. The 58 Impala, my favorite car here. So we're having a festival of stuff. We're here.
It's on the other side. I just parked over there. I could told the Toyota up too, but not the driver's compartment.
4-speed. More stuff. Camaro. Small book.
Yeah.
Max.
Yeah.
Elevator. Museum. Jeep. Truck.
If you make it convenient.
Ford. Chevy truck. '57 Chevy. Herbie the Love Boat. Station wagon. I think it's looking like cheap to the station wagon. Mustang. More craft booths. Another Mustang. Hmm. 2012 2SS with RS package. Still ain't eating nothing?
No, I'm looking for a recliner to
I hear you.
sleep.
Over. Chevy truck. About a
Yeah, that's how much.
more booths, lemonade. Not sure what this is. Could be an S10 truck with everything. Ford. More roofs, pork skins. Looks like an 85 Chevy. 502. 502. $347 Silver Fairlane. Nice old Ford. Plymouth.
You can't buy like two. You gotta buy 40.
Yeah, right. I thought about buying a 45 to put
More booths. Put the popcorn. I didn't see that a while ago. Firebird. Sitting in the orange Chevelle SS. Jeep. Number 79 GMC K15. Alright. I'm going to try to get back to the other one. Like I said, it's a big festival here in Jersey. Got the whole downtown blocked off. You folks in the big Dodge Power Wagon. I think it's a Dodge, maybe a Ford. Oh no, it's a Dodge, Ranger. Everybody.
Yeah. It's dirty, but I drive it.
No square body. Supercharged. There's a food court. We had lots of good food. We helped out the high school. It's one of my favorites.
That's the air conditioner.
All over everything. There's the 300. More booths. 66 Mustang. Speaks hot rod. This is 6-cylinder, 3 1-barrel carburetors. They're kind of interesting now. Volkswagen. Old Chevy truck. Another Chevy truck. Another black. Ford 427R. I'm not sure what that means. 2010. 64 Seville. One of my favorites. There's this. The 6-speed transmission. Also have a skid boxes. Alright. That's going to do it for now. Like I said, we're here in Jay, Florida. And enjoying the car show. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.